What is the largest island in Qatar?
Look the camera, show that.
And
Okay.
then, happy! Say thank you. Answer.
Whenever you purchase, finish.
Genetic, di ba? Na-discover si Lucas, mga kabalo. Genetic faith eh. Kaya thank you. Tingnan niyo muna. Mag-shopping muna kami. We are here in Ansar, mga kapalo. Si Lucas na-discover. Artista na. Pati si Mami, artista na rin, mga kapalo. Kasi pasukan na. Ayan, na-interview sila dito sa Ansar Industrial. Kaya punta na kayo mga kapalo. Sale pa dito. Ayan, oh, ang mumura.
Which is the biggest island in Qatar? This is the question.
We will do that.
We will give you the answer.
Okay.
Always smile, ah.
Okay.
Halul.
Halul. Okay. One, two, three.
Hello.
No, you ask him first.
What?
Halul.
One, two, three.
Lucas, what is the biggest, largest island in Qatar?
Again, ask him again.
Once again. That's it.
Largest. Wait. What is the biggest or largest island in Qatar? Oh, island.